In the ever-shifting world of real estate, timing is everything. Whether you're looking to sell your home in a blink of an eye during a hot market or strategize for a more balanced market, I'm here to guide you through the process. I'm Monica with eXp Realty. Let's dive into how market dynamics can impact your home sale and ensure you make most of your investment. The market climate will determine how quickly your home will sell. In a hot market where there is limited inventory, meaning there are more buyers than homes to purchase, you can sell your home in a day. Although I highly recommend allowing the home to have proper marketing time so that you can receive the most amount of offers with the best terms. If there are more homes on the market than buyers, then you can expect a little longer for the home to sell. We can discuss timing and how quickly I feel your home will sell when we meet. It's important to look at the absorption rate in determining timing. Absorption rate is a term commonly used in real estate to evaluate at which available homes are sold in a specific market during a given period of time. It's calculated by dividing the average number of sales per month by the total number of homes available. According to the Investopedia, a seller's market would have an absorption rate that equals more than 20%, and a buyer's rate would be lower than 15%. I personally feel those numbers are a bit vast. There are other factors we need to consider when pricing a home, such as property size, features, location, condition of the home, as they significantly impact the value. So if you're thinking about selling your home, let's connect and discuss your options. I'm Monica with eXp Realty. As always, I'm here to help you navigate the real estate process and get the most out of your investment. Please feel free to leave a comment or share this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.